My name is Jackson Nduwayezu. Here in the class, my nickname is Biggie. I was born in a family of 9 children. I'm the firstborn. So I grew up cooking, looking for my little brothers and sisters. And from my early age, I enjoyed cooking. It is where my passion of cooking comes from. When I received a call from Rwanda at Singita, which informed me I got a scholarship for attending Singita Community Culinary Arts, I feel happy. I feel happy because I got the opportunity of joining Singita family, and I know it will be my starting point for becoming a famous chef. I'm very excited for the opportunity I got for coming here, for improving my standard of cooking. My favorite dish is agatogo. I like to cook agatogo because it's a Rwandan dish. If I become a famous chef, I would love to put Rwanda on map through local food. I would like to encourage the young generation to learn about culinary arts because it's fun, it is needed, and because it's great professional.